Okay, this is a quick fix you can do to your Jeeps. These air vent panels are always flaking. The paint is always flaking off, every one I've ever seen. But a lot of people don't know they're easy to pop off and just go ahead and paint. They have 3 pins that hold them onto the body. Get down in there with a screwdriver and just slowly start prying them off, and then they pop right out. I sanded this best I could, and I'm just painting it with some spare paint that I had laying around, and I'm going to black it out. You can paint these any color you want. After a couple coats, let it dry out, and here's what you get. And they pop right on just as easy as they came off. You might want to use a trim paint designed for automotive trim. I just used a flat black can of Walmart paint, and I think it turned out pretty good. It looks better than the red that was originally on there. I believe they should have just painted them black. Anyway, it was an easy fix. If you got a Jeep, you might want to check out some of my other Jeep videos. Thanks for watching. Later.